Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for of we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. Now according to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step says solve the parentheses first. Parenthetical brackets are 2 plus 4. So now 2 plus 4, it will become 6. Now according to this step, BODMAS require innermost bracket first. And now the current expression becomes 30% of square bracket 60 plus curly braces 24 divided by 6. And then brackets of minus 3 power square. Move to the next step. According to next step, solve the curly braces. Now there is a division inside it. Now 24 divided by 6, 4. According to this step, move to the next outer layer of brackets. And now the current expression becomes 30% of 60 plus 4 minus 3 square. Move to the next step. According to next step, solve the square brackets. Now inside the square bracket there is addition. 60 plus 4 becomes 64. According to this step, clear the final set of brackets and now the current expression becomes 30% of 64 minus 3 power square. Move to the next step. Solve the orders exponents. There is a 3 power square. So now 3 power square is equals to 9. According to this step, O follows the bracket in BODMAS. So now the current expression becomes 30% of 64 minus 9. Move to the next step. Solve the off percentage. Now there is a off percentage operation. 30 upon 100 multiplied by 64. Now it becomes, after cutting the values, 19.2. According to this step, off means the multiplication in precedence. And now the current expression becomes 19.2 minus 9. Finally, subtract the value. Subtraction is the last remaining operation step. So now 19.2 minus 9 will get 10.2 as a final result. So now according to this expression, by using the BODMAS sequence, the final simplified value of this expression is 10.2. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.